Hi everyone, just wanted to post a quick video about what your expectations are for week 5. So for week 5 you have two options. One is to use it as a makeup week. We are hitting Shakespeare next week, and trust me when I say you don't want to be playing catch up once we start Shakespeare, because it's a lot. And then pretty quickly after that we're jumping into Fahrenheit 451, and you just want to be done and caught up with everything. So every year, right before we start Shakespeare, I always give students the opportunity to catch up. I do kind of like a catch-up makeup week / enrichment week for those of you who are already finished with everything and want a little bit more of a challenge. So, 1, if you're not caught up, your objective is to catch up. 2, if you are already caught up, what are you doing this week, or what should you be doing? So this week I have posted for you, it's an optional assignment. It's not extra credit, so I will tell you that. So what happens is I will tell you how I'm going to grade this, and I will cover this in Class Connect as well. But if you attempt it and it's a minimal effort, I'm not going to grade it. Basically, you're going to receive no grade, because if I put a 0 in for you, it's going to drop you, right? Since it's optional, I don't want to drop students in any way. If you finish it and it's average work, the lowest grade that you will receive on this assignment would be a C. So if you choose to do it and you kind of do it halfway and you don't really put a lot of effort into it, you may get a C. There is a rubric attached to this assignment, and it tells you what I expect from you. If you make an honest effort and do a really nice job, you would get full credit, which would be 30 out of 30 points. So that would give you an A. There is the opportunity to earn up to 10 points extra credit. So basically you could get a 40 out of 30 on this assignment. So what that means is there are 2 things that I want to see for anyone who would receive extra credit. One is you're going above and beyond my expectations. So if you write this narrative and it is like you just knock it out of the park, you're going to receive 10 extra credit points for that. Let's say you write the narrative, and you go a little bit above and beyond. So I may give you 2 extra credit points. I may give you 3. I may give you 5. So there is the opportunity to earn up to 10 extra credit points. The other way that you can earn extra credit points with this assignment is there is an option to post your rough draft on the discussion board for other students to peer edit for you. This is something that I would highly recommend that you do, because it is going to not only give you extra credit points, you're also going to get some great feedback from students, right? You're going to get points of maybe what you need to do a little bit better, or maybe a little thing here or there that you could fix, or maybe you're missing something and the students are going to comment on that. So posting your narrative to the discussion board, I'm not really going to give points for that. What I'm giving points for is the peer editing. So if you are peer editing for students and you've completed the narrative, that's when I would give you a few extra credit points, and that would help you get that 40 out of 30. I'm expecting a big chunk of you to participate in this, because students who are kind of at that higher level and you need a little bit more of a challenge, I'm expecting you to take on this opportunity during this week and enhance your writing. The other thing is that it is a narrative. So remember, the only time we're allowed to use I, right, is during a narrative. So you have the opportunity to use first person during this if you would like to. It's totally up to you. So it depends on how you're writing your narrative. And I will cover the specifics of the narrative with you in class, but basically you're writing a myth, and there's a specific type of myth that you're writing, and you are going to be basically just explaining how a phenomena came to be. And it's a pretty simple assignment. I will have another video explaining specifically what that is. I just wanted to let you know kind of what was happening this week and what the expectations are for students. All right, so if you are attempting the myth, I'm covering it in Class Connect on Tuesday, and I will also post an instructional video for you as well. So if you have questions, please let me know. But I do hope that you will take this opportunity to catch up if needed, and also if you do not need to catch up and you're already done and you would like to attempt this, I would love for you to do so. All right, have a great week, everyone.